All right, time now 6:43. We're going to take a look at our local forecast and the latest developments in the tropics. Can't forget about those. Meteorologist Dave Warren joining us now. Dave.
Yes, looks about just about 24 hours away. We'll see the effects of Laura as it passes by to our south, and the Gulf Coast will be dealing with Marco, and then another 2 or 3 days later, they'll be dealing with Laura here. There's a wind shear. This is Hurricane Marco here. There's the center. There's that southwest wind blowing a lot of the clouds off to the northeast, but despite that, became a hurricane. The latest advisory, 991 millibars of pressure, wind 75 miles an hour, so a minimal hurricane's moving north-northwest at 13 miles an hour. Track from the National Hurricane Center is moving north. There's hurricane warnings in effect there around Louisiana. Watches on either side, even a tropical storm watch there in the Panhandle. It is expected to go north, maybe weaken just a bit, and then turn to the west. That is Monday afternoon. There it goes Tuesday, there it goes Wednesday, but by Wednesday, it's really not Marco they'll be focused on along the Gulf Coast. Is Laura. Could become a Category 2 hurricane there. This is by midday Wednesday, so Wednesday night to early Thursday, same area. Laura making landfall there along the Gulf Coast. Of course, we're concerned with what it means for our weather as it passes by just to the south, and it goes even a little farther south, all of Cuba under tropical storm warnings right now. The watches now just the middle to lower Keys here in our area. It'll be Monday night to early Tuesday. There's the tropical storm force wind getting a little closer, but staying just to the south. We think we could see some tropical storm conditions here, maybe the parts of the lower Keys, but as farther north, it'll just be the squalls that we're talking about. There's a few that are moving through the area right now. I'm keeping an eye on that on real-time Doppler. Our temperatures have a little rain cooled in Miami at 81. Fort Lauderdale's at 89 degrees. Key West still at 91 degrees. Here's the activity now. This will be increasing overnight tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. Get a gust of wind, a downpour as these race through with that east to southeast wind. That's just the last hour. They're moving pretty quickly here through the area. I want to focus in on an area got hit earlier. Now those rain showers are in the mainland Monroe County. A little bit of activity in Miami-Dades quickly moved off to the west. That just went right over the airport, dropped the temperature down just a bit. Weston getting a little bit of rain there in Coral Springs, crossing over the Sawgrass Expressway. That moves out. It's pretty quiet there just off to the east. So a brief little rain shower, a gust of wind, and these squalls increase throughout the day or night tonight, and then the day tomorrow. So temperatures wise, we're into the mid 80s. We climbed into the mid to low 90s. We'll be a little cooler tomorrow with that stronger breeze. Now here's what's happening. Big area of high pressure keeping all the activity to the south, but in between that, we're seeing the moisture increase just a bit. We're getting these squalls beginning to move through. Lines of equal pressure tight together. That's with that area of low pressure there with Laura. And if that pressure drops, that pressure difference gets even bigger. So even though the storm could move a little farther south, the wind could actually get a little stronger. Here's where the strongest wind is right now. Now, this is our one computer forecast model. I think it's doing a pretty good job of the timing and showing exactly where the strongest wind is. Let's go through this hour by hour. Overnight tonight, tomorrow morning, the wind begins to increase. This is tropical storm force wind. It stays just to the south, but maybe parts of the lower Keys mid-afternoon tomorrow, getting tropical storm force winds and gusts to 60 miles an hour. This is sustained wind. If you look at the wind gusts, that area of tropical storm force actually pushes up farther north, possibly into parts of Miami-Dade and Broward County. Looks like the strongest gusts will be here in the Keys and maybe gusts to 45 in Miami-Dade and Broward County. Gusts will increase as these squalls move through. Midday tomorrow, they're increasing. It's not exactly the timing here that we're talking about. It's not exactly 2 o'clock. We'll see that rain in Fort Lauderdale, but you can see the overall trend. These rain squalls begin to push through Monday afternoon through Tuesday, and then by Tuesday, the storm is moving out into the Gulf, so our weather will be improving. 80 degrees overnight tonight. Showers will increase. We have these gusty downpours with that southeast wind, 10 to 20 miles an hour. 89 tomorrow. Strongest wind will be in the afternoon and evening with these gusty squalls. Small craft advisory, 25 to 30 knots with higher gusts, 7 to 9 foot seas. Very rough in the bays. Once we clear this, well, the tropics still look pretty quiet, and we just have an ocean breeze with a few passing showers. Temperatures back above 90 degrees.
Dave, thank you.